Hello, child. I'm here, Wheeze, and I hacked Chedda's channel because he stinks. And I'm also doing Pokemon tier list. Part 3. Because there's 2 other parts. And one has, no views. And the other part has more views. So you gotta watch both. And this one, if you want to be cool.
Hello, wait, what the frick is happening?
Huh?
Wait. Wheeze, is that you?
No.
Okay. I believe that.
Alright.
So what is happening right now?
We gotta do part 3, man.
Oh,
50,
okay.
Over 50 people watched part 2, even though nobody watched part 1, but it's okay.
Nobody cares. So you're not Wheeze? Okay.
No.
Okay. I believe you.
Yes, I am, actually.
Yeah, you're not Wheeze. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm schizophrenic.
I believe that.
What's that supposed to mean?
I don't know.
That's kind of rude, man. Okay, let's do some starter tier list now.
Okay. Let's see what we got for the tiers, because I don't know what's happening right now.
I just moved it.
Oh, well.
Alright. God tier, Chedda, and cheese tier, like always.
Even
right?
that says cheese and cheddar.
Same thing.
I'll just let that slide.
And then we got Aggron tier, because Aggron is cool, and A tier is cool.
Then Bisharp, I guess it's because he's not as good. He could be better.
Bisharp is cool, but less cool, but that's still cool. And then we got Comfy tier. I don't care about Comfy.
It's good in Unite, so that's all that counts. Except whenever it isn't, because people suck.
And Diggersby tier, he looks like a creepy uncle, so that's D, because D is bad.
Yeah. Then Espartha, disgusting.
Chicken wings.
Lady Gaga.
For real. And then Feebas tier is F, because Feebas is ugly. What the hell? What was that?
I don't know. Okay, come on, let's start. Like always, we're starting with the Bulbasaur line or the Venusaur.
Also, there's forms, but we're gonna do that later.
Yeah.
That's why we moved them onto the back of the bus. I probably shouldn't have said that. To the back of the Pokemon.
Yeah. Okay. Venusaur, let's see where we put him. I already know what you're gonna say.
No, because Venusaur's kinda ugly.
He do be ugly. So you remember last time whenever I said Ivysaur was packing?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we take Venusaur.
He just turned into ugly, man.
Yeah. You could the ugly ducking stage of Pokemon.
Yep.
That's flipped for the line.
It really is. It really is.
Okay, so where do we say we put this? Like B,
he's
C?
He's still a Bulbasaur.
B tier for Bulbasaur.
I think B tier.
Yeah.
He's ugly, but he's also kind of cool.
We gotta think Unite.
Yeah. He's my main.
I'm a Unite player, so we gotta think Unite.
He's my main in Unite, and I love him because he's so good.
Charizard.
Should we make a whole new overrated tier?
Make that the Z tier.
No, I'm kidding. He's.
If we put him lower than B, people are gonna get really upset with us.
No, because I like him.
People love him so much they're gonna get upset with us.
Dude, I like him, but I don't want to put him all high up because he's so overrated. But I like him because he's dragon-like, but not dragon type.
We'll get there whenever we do the Mega Evolutions.
What I just moved?
I have no idea. Cinderace.
Oops.
I'm able to see it from any spot.
Where you go? Where's the rest of your...
Wait, where's
Inteleon?
Yeah, where's Inteleon? Wait, what?
Did we not notice that it was missing?
Oh, well. We'll say Astro Ninjas and Teleon.
Can we add?
Yeah, we're able to add Pokemon.
Wait, are we really?
Yeah, we are. We're able to add images. Scroll down. Okay, so Childs, it turns out there's no way to add images, and if there is, we don't know how to. So, we're just going to pretend we actually do have Drizzile or Inteleon, whatever, and, Mega Venus. Wait, we do have Mega Venusaur.
G-Max.
Oh, yeah, if we don't have GMX, Venusaur.
This tier list kind of got me feeling like I'm not actually gonna give it that. Oh, I can't change it.
You can't do it.
I'll just give it hands.
I don't know what that means. Okay, Charizard. I say we put it in B.
Alright, man. He's fat. Oops. Blastoise. I like Blastoise.
Blastoise is cool. I like him in Unite.
I say
a lot of these Pokemon are in Unite, so I'll base them off Unite sometimes.
I say all the Gen 1 starters are B.
That's fair.
We're gonna get hate by all the Gen 1ers.
Oh, well. We're Childs. You can't attack us. F tier, Feebas.
Why do you
get out?
So much
Nobody likes you. Get out.
He's boring, but he's cute.
Okay, cute. I say we put him in A tier.
I'd like Typhlosion. I have a lucky Typhlosion in Pokemon Go.
I don't know what that means, but okay.
I know you don't.
I don't remember this guy's name.
C or B.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think we say...
You
know what? I don't like him. C tier.
No, let's do B because of that one back spray.
Okay, Charles, if you didn't know what Cheese Wheeze was talking about, now you do. We put it in B now. Okay.
B
tier. B tier for butt.
It looks like a butt, but it's supposed to be a tail and his back or his leg or something, okay?
Butt cheeks.
That's funny. What was it? Alright, that's funny. B tier.
B for butt. Tilt your phone sideways.
I forgot to switch it sideways.
Disgusting.
I know, I'm sorry.
A tier.
Yeah, Reptile gets an A. He's cool.
He's cool. I like him a lot.
Blaziken, I think B. Or
High
A.
B for me. High B for me.
B?
B.
Blaziken's a cool guy.
He's cool.
But
that's why he's getting high B.
He started a horrible, horrible chain. Swamper A. S.
What?
S. Sorry, I had a seizure.
You know what? How about this? We do a trade. We put him in S if we put Cinderace in S.
Fine. What
Yay!
What were you gonna put him in? Anyways.
B. Anyway.
B. Okay, man. Whatever, man.
I didn't grow up with these guys. I don't have any bias about them. I just gotta look through them.
Empoleon's not here either.
Bruh.
Who made this tier list, bro? I'm actually gonna give it poopy now. What the heck? How are you missing so many Pokemon?
Guys, don't go onto this tier list. I'm telling you.
Don't go to Pokemon Starter Final Forms.
ATT Gen 9
tier list to make. Don't go there.
Don't, I'm telling you. I see you typing it. Get out!
Don't pull in those.
Anyway. You want to put him in S? Fine.
Huh? Sorry?
You want to put him in S? Fine. He looks like he has an anime skirt.
Why'd you say that? You just ruined him for me a little, but he's still S tier.
He has an anime skirt.
Don't stay
I gotta see how I read it.
I like Torterra. I think he gets A or B.
No, put him in A. I don't care. A.
Alright. The tree on his back makes him cool. We love Save the Trees. We love Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast!
I don't know if he likes Mr. Beast, but I like Mikey.
I don't really like this guy. I don't like his design. I understand everybody loves him.
I don't love him, but I don't hate him. I say B or C.
I agree with you.
I'm sorry, monkey. Just Pokemon designs, you're kind of ugly, you know? And I don't know why. Oh, he's kind of cool, though.
Okay, I'm looking at his hand thingies that he has. I like those a lot, actually. He looks like a Ben 10 guy. Like, if you get rid of his face, he looks like a Ben 10 monster.
Can I put him in B?
Okay, I'm fine with that.
Alright. We don't have any bad starters yet.
A?
They're coming up.
They are coming up. A or B?
I say B.
Okay.
I love
F.
Superior, though.
F tier right here. Feebas. Ugly. Ugly.
I'm gonna get canceled for body shaming. I like him. B.
What?
B.
What? B? Oh no.
Yes.
Oh no. These two are one of the worst starters ever.
I like Samurai.
Oh my. No, not Samurott. Samurot's good. These two here? No.
I'm saying B for Samurai.
Oh yeah, B. Oh yeah, B for Samurott. Okay, I thought you were talking about.
You thought I was talking about the pig?
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, B tier. Okay, that's
Bro,
good. Okay,
bro got
I'm fine.
Bro got worried.
Oh, okay.
I know everyone hates him, but I kind of like him.
I kind of like him also. Inside knowledge, me and Cheese Wheeze once did like a drawing challenge, and I had him for one of them. No. I liked it a lot. She hated it, but I got respect for the boy. I got respect for him.
What was his name again?
Chestnut?
No, not the Pokemon. The thing you made.
I don't remember.
What was it mixed with? I forgot.
Appleton.
I feel like you named it Apple Nut or something.
I believe I would do that. Okay. Put him in B.
I think C. No, B.
Yeah,
I like
B.
him. People said that shiny is better, and it really is a lot better with the brown.
It is a lot better.
He's cool still. He's cool.
Yeah. Think about the shinies also.
Furry. I need a furry too.
No, put it in E, actually, because it's actually one of the best Pokemon in Unite, in my opinion.
It's in Unite?
It is in Unite, and it's
I
actually
don't
really
even
good.
remember it.
It's actually really good. It's been in the game for, like, a while. But it's actually, like, really good.
I think it gets, like, a D, man. Not gonna lie.
Okay, I'm fine with that. Because, wait, let me tell you about one of the Hollowware. There's a Statue of Liberty one.
You're joking.
I'm not joking. There's a Statue of Liberty one.
Oh, my God.
I'm not joking.
Greninja's cool. Everybody likes him. I guess.
S tier.
I don't think he's S tier.
No, be quiet, S tier. I watched the anime.
I don't think he's S tier.
I watched the anime.
So did I, but I don't think he's S tier.
I watched the anime. I loved the anime.
I didn't care about the Greninja in the anime, really.
Wow. One of my favorite episodes.
Okay, no, the Greninja arc was pretty cool.
The Greninja arc also. Remember? S tier.
The Greninja arc was...
one of my favorite episodes, even though I hated it, like, it was, like, my love and hate episode, was whenever, like, Greninja went into, like, the ninja town.
That sounds bad to me.
And there was, like, all the ninjas.
Stop.
I love that episode. But I also hate it a lot.
Why do you hate it?
I don't know. I love it and I hate it. Like you.
Do you hate ninjas?
No, I love ninjas. I watched Ninjago growing up.
Do you hate ninjas? Do you not want to go to the ninja town? You know, in America, that's called the hood.
I don't care. Put him in S.
You have to cut this out. I'm gonna get so canceled.
Put him in S. Put him in S.
No, come on. A. Hi, A. That's... Oh.
S.
A, come on. Coin flip.
Oh my gosh. Why?
I'm gonna put him back where he belongs.
No. He's one of the best starters.
I mean, he's better than the recent ones, but he's not the best. Okay, heads or tails? I forgot to
Wait, I know how to figure it out. Siri, heads or tails? I'm heads.
You're gonna okay.
I said tails.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Frogs don't even have. He doesn't even have a tail. You can't.
So?
You can't do that. That's trauma.
Quiet.
That's past trauma for
I'm
losing his
putting him where I
tail.
want now.
That's past trauma for losing his tail. No, no.
Up here?
Yes.
No.
Ah!
B.
What?
I don't like him that much.
What?
He's cool, but I don't like him.
Think about Unite. Think about Unite. He has a cool gimmick. He does long range, but he also does close range.
I don't play him in Unite.
No! Your brother. Go to your brother and talk about him.
My brother, Go-Go?
I don't know what your brother's name is.
No, remember when he came in our room and he kept going like Go-Go?
Oh, yeah. No, it was Gargar.
Gar, yeah, Gar. Mr. Gargar, Mr. Go-Go. Do you think what tier do you think Greninja deserves?
A plus, all the way up.
S tier?
S tier.
Don't really like that.
I take back everything I said about your brother last episode.
Don't you like Totodile the most?
Totodile is good, but Greninja, no.
It's better. It's better. He said it. It's better.
Sure.
Greninja's good. Greninja's amazing.
He's overrated.
You were talking about ninjas earlier.
Yeah,
Do you not like ninjas?
Greninja's actually really
Isn't Totodile your favorite though?
Yes, but Greninja deserves some.
Greninja.
You just ended the screen share.
My mama's calling me.
You just ended the screen share.
I know, because my mama called me. And I'll be right back. Because I'm going to go into the room to see what she wants.
Okay. So, childs, this is the middle point of the... Not really the middle point of the video. This is the point of the video where I tell you, childs, to like and subscribe. And to check out my previous parts for my video.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The driver on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The driver on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. We already said that. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus go the mommies on the bus go. This is why I put you up for adoption. All through the town. The wheels on the bus go all through the town. The driver on the bus goes, stop putting on your sun shield while you're driving. And put your blinker on. All through the town. The babies on the bus go, Cocomelon. Bum, 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 bum. All through the town. The parents on the bus go, adoption. All through the town. I had a whole musical number, and she's still in that. That's crazy.
This must be an intense talk with her mom.
I'm back.
I just sang the Wheels on the Bus.
Why?
Why not? Okay, turn your screen share right on now.
Hold on, I'm going to close something on my computer.
What is
I don't
it?
want to get in trouble.
What is it?
Discord, but I downloaded a fake one. And now every time I launch out my computer, it opens.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, not gonna screen. Also, let's finish this recording quick so I can eat my thing and so it doesn't hear chewing the whole time
Okay.
because I really want my thing.
Now screen share right now. You big black cow.
I guess S tier is okay, man.
Yeah! S tier?
S tier.
S tier.
Love this situation.
And then also in Unite, it's also really good. B or C or D or E
C.
or F.
I like Primarina.
I say we put her in A or B because you like it. But it's not S. I'm not putting it in S.
I'm not putting it in S either.
B. It's not like the other ones up there.
Can I get A? Come on, can I get A?
The lowest A.
Fine.
Okay. B, C, D, or E, or F. Okay. S tier! Put the Family Feud OST on the background.
You're gonna get copyrighted.
I know. That's why I'm not doing it.
Okay.
Furry.
B.
But it's a good furry.
B.
B. Okay. I'm fine with that. Not us. A.
B.
Okay, I'm fine with that.
He looks kind of weird, not gonna lie.
They should give him like a new, like if they give them new forms for the DLC, he's going to have such a cool. I don't care about his sideburn mouth thingy he has going on. I've always known that. He's always been a bald man to me, but he's gonna have a cool form. F tier. Okay.
Yeah, we didn't even need to say anything. We just knew.
Okay, wait, but we still have to rank Inteleon and Empoleon.
Oh, should we do the forms now or no?
We rank Inteleon and Empoleon because we don't have them.
But do we do the forms, like, do we, like, organize this first, or do the forms after, or do we do the forms with it?
We did the forms with it. Okay. So, Inteleon, B, C.
Inteleon?
B, C.
Inteleon is, like, E tier. I really don't like it.
What?
The sniper's cool, but the design is just ugly, man.
He's also able to turn invisible, and he's also able to glide.
He can glide?
He's able to glide.
I didn't...
That's what those underarm wing things are for.
C tier.
C? Okay, fine. He's better than Furry here, though. Smash Bros. Furry.
Pretend there's an Inteleon. Like, when you edit it, do your editing magic and put an Inteleon in C tier.
Okay.
And Empoleon, put him in D tier.
I used to like him. I don't like him a lot anymore.
Why don't you like him?
His face is just ugly. I'm more of a Piplup fan, not gonna lie.
Yeah, of course I'm a Piplup fan. Piplup's adorable, but...
For some reason, I can't remember the middle evolution. Oh, yeah, that's also ugly.
Prinplup. Ew.
Disgusting.
For real.
Okay. So, we start with Mega Evolutions for...
No, wait, where are we gonna put Empoleon?
Thought we already said Inteleon.
I said Empoleon.
Oh. Where do you want to put Empoleon?
B.
Okay, fine.
Okay, do your editing magic.
Boom!
Bam! Boom! Poof. All the sound effects. Okay. He's literally just Venusaur, but more plants.
Yeah. So what tier did we put?
We forgot to put the Gigantamax. We gotta edit the Gigantamax into...
I already know. So what tier did we put Venusaur in?
B, I think?
Because I think we could just put it in the same tier, and I don't think anybody would care.
I think it also goes in B.
I think Venusaur fans feel the same way, like equally the same way.
Because he looks funny with the flower, and I like him.
I like him also.
I like the Gigantamax with the flower. He looks funny.
I still chose Blastoise because he's cool.
Blastoise looks cool. Blastoise is great.
He's also I think I heard somewhere he's also based partially off the Titanic for his.
I'm pretty sure he is.
So that's kind of worrisome. Okay, so I say we just put him in B tier. Come on, let's go.
And Mega 2, B tier?
Yeah. Oh, the G-Max? Yeah. Okay. I'm not doing the editing magic yet. I'm doing the editing magic now. Okay. Skadaboom!
Wait, wait, do the sound effect again.
Skadaboom!
What in the...
Sounds like Chedda. I like him, but I also don't like him. Depends.
Zesty overrated.
Depends where you put him.
I think B or A. I kind of like him.
Okay, I'm fine with either one. I like him, but I also hate him, so.
Me too.
S tier.
Not S.
High A.
He's cool.
Yeah,
S.
he is cool.
Where'd he go?
He's there in E tier.
Oh, I thought he teleported.
No, that's what my dad did.
Yeah, we know.
I never told anybody that on my YT.
Yeah, they don't know, but are you gonna keep that in or are you gonna edit it out?
I don't care. Okay, so I don't know which one is X and I don't know which one Y is.
Black!
I like him a lot.
He's black. I like both of them.
I like that you went from he's black to I like him.
Yeah.
So I say
I think I don't know what I think.
okay, so it's my input.
Yeah.
A low A or high B.
I think they get a high B.
Okay.
I think he gets A. The other one gets a high B.
Okay. Well, you want to know some? I don't know if you know this, but did you know that he actually is dragon type?
Huh?
That form is dragon type.
I know.
But then also, so we like the black colors on the other guy, right?
What do we give him? Look at the way he's walking. He's like, where's the parkour ninja?
Wait, but if you get shiny, if you get his shiny, the dragon type one, you're able to have a black one. So.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay,
does he
so
turn red and black or like what? What
black
is black
and purple.
Oh, that's cool. I need to look that up.
A or S?
I think
he's really cool.
S.
W. He takes everything cool about the regular form and he turns it up to times 10.
I think he just got fiery and black.
Flaming hot Cheeto. I like him still. I like him better than the normal form.
See?
Flaming hot Cheeto. I like him more than the regular one though.
You like him more than the regular?
Yeah, I don't like the regular.
You don't like Blaziken?
No. I like a shiny better.
Then why do you let me put him in B tier?
Cause I like his concept. And I like that once. I like that once he was also.
What do you think of Blazios?
Yeah, I like that kind of. I don't like the design, but I thought that was cool. Thought that was the thing, but they split it into two Pokemon. Anyway.
So, B?
I really don't want to put him in B, but okay.
You don't have to, man, because I don't like the Mega. I like the original more.
Yeah, but I like the Mega more. Coin flip.
So do you want to put him in B?
We do the coin flip to see which one's better.
What's the other option?
We just see which one's higher. Like, I put him higher than regular Blaziken, and you put him lower.
Oh, okay. We decide that after. He goes in B for now, right?
Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking.
He
Hulk
took steroids.
The Incredible Bulk.
Blue Hulk.
The Incredible Bulk.
It's those freaking YouTube kids things where they put like superheroes but just in different colors.
Oh my gosh.
This one is Hulk.
Yeah, that's fair. Hulk if he was a hunchback and if he had wheels. C.
C? Alright. I think he get B. I mean, he went. That's a kind of a big fall, man.
That is a big fall. Literally, the bigger they are, the harder they fall.
Oh my god! Can I put it, B is good or no?
Fine.
B tier's packed,
I like
man.
the arms.
Ooh, where do you go? Where do you come from?
I think he was in. No, let me look at those tiers again.
No, he wasn't that tier. I mean,
okay.
Like, monkey with drums. You can't even see the monkey.
Like, they, like, split his body in half. That's weird for me. Like, they split his body in half.
No, they just split his body. He just controls the leaves and makes...
No, like, if you look at, like, the art, whenever he's zoomed in, they put his body inside the seat of the drum.
Oh, yeah?
Like, he's, like, his torso got, like, split in half, and he's like that.
Where does he go?
I like his drum set. I don't like anything else.
Me either.
We need to use E tier at some point.
There he goes.
Okay. Hey, S tier.
There can only be one Greninja in S tier, man.
It's the same way how we put other forms and other
The
tiers.
other goes to S. The one stays in S.
Fine, we put him in
A.
S. I don't care. We put him in S. He's even cooler.
So the normal Greninja goes to A?
Yeah, fine. Whatever.
Alright.
Don't listen to your brother.
He's looking like a flamingo with that pose.
Flamingo.
I like the original more too, but whatever, man.
You like it more?
Yeah, the colors are more vibrant.
I don't care.
Where'd you go? Down there. Fire.
S tier. It's an emoji with a crown.
Just because you said emoji, I'm putting in F tier because of the emoji movie.
No.
The emoji
No. No, you can't do this to me mentally.
There can only be one.
I love both of them equally.
I've been being generous. Cinderace and Greninja sit up there, man.
I can't put him in A, but I can't put him in A.
This one in A?
I like both of them. I love the fireball, but I love the fireball. I hate the crown. I hate the long ears. So we put him in A. I don't like you right now.
You hate the what?
I don't like the ears. They're too long.
The ears?
Yeah.
I think the ears make him look funny. So when I do like that one jump move that makes him go into the air, I just think of him with those ears.
Fortnite, Battle Pass. That's all I'm singing.
Fortnite! Oh, I can't sing. Maybe
yeah, you can't sing that. You can't sing that. Adventure Time.
I like the snapper. I like it because you can't even see him, and that's what makes it good. And he's just a big sniper tower.
I like that they actually gave him a gun.
Yeah, the fact they gave him a gun is crazy.
Yeah, the fact that they actually gave him a gun is crazy.
Where?
Why are you putting him in C?
I think B. B?
We already have one Inteleon.
Huh?
Wait. Oh no, we put Inteleon in C. Okay, fine. I like him a lot. But okay, fine.
We put him in C? Okay, I'll believe that. S, please?
S, okay, yeah. Wait, but do we already have the Decidueye in S? Because then we can't have two S Decidueyes.
No, yes, we can. Yes, we can.
No, then you have to put Ash Greninja, you have to put normal Greninja and Cinderace.
Listen. That didn't count. Oh shoot. That was different.
How is that different?
I didn't want them to be in S tier, but I was being generous. So we had to move one of the forms down, man.
I'm gonna be honest, I didn't pick him. I didn't like him.
Who did you pick?
I picked Samurott.
Why? You don't like him?
No, he got rid of the cool part.
What's the cool part? The hood?
The hood. And they also got rid of the long wings so he can't fly. Rip Team Skies. Team Sky, whatever.
He can fly. He flies.
I don't care. He barely can.
Bro's too fat.
Master Wu, go back to where you came from. So he moved the Decidueye. He moved his Decidueye.
Hey.
Exactly. Okay.
He's high. I like Bro.
I like him a lot.
I think A or B.
I put him in A. He's just like me.
Where did you go? Who did I move now?
He went right there.
I don't think I moved anyone.
No, you didn't.
I know I moved you. You thought you were slick.
That doesn't matter where he goes.
To me, it does.
B.
Yeah. Why didn't you pick Typhlosion if you like Typhlosion more?
I didn't see the wisps originally.
You saw the 3D model normally?
Yeah. I thought, wow, depression. Realistic.
Oh my god.
Just like everybody in my school.
Do you wish you chose Typhlosion?
Yeah. Okay, so...
That's it. Now you can organize them.
Survival best F.
No, it's not.
Yes,
no,
it
it's
is.
not.
Yes, it is. I do not care.
I do.
I do not care. It has good typing. It has a good ability.
Okay, the typing's true. That's why it gets up there.
And it also has good ability.
What's the ability?
Whenever he kills, his attack goes up.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
You're the only one there. Monkey over fox or
no?
You're the only one there.
Well, I'm drinking water. Give me a second.
This is gonna be...
Inteleon before Incineroar. We put Inteleon before Incineroar.
We
so
can
just
pretend.
move Incineroar to the side. Yeah, okay.
Editing. Go do your editing thing.
It's two Michael Jordans. Okay. Did it.
What the hell?
What? Do you not like my
You sound like you're trying to be Japanese, bro.
I am. Okay, so we play regular Venusaur. More to the bottom.
Not yet. No, sir. We have to see who's last first.
Chestnut? Or the cat guy? I don't remember her name.
I like Chestnut, man.
Well, what about the furry?
I don't like this design, but I've grown attached, man.
Wow. Attached to a furry? In what way?
That's because I named it after my cat.
In what way?
Pet? It's a cat.
Attached in what way?
What do you mean?
Anyway, I don't like him.
I like the design, but I
we
named
could
it
put
after my cat.
Blaziken or Infernape.
Yeah,
I don't like either. No, that's the best Blaziken.
I don't like this Blaziken.
I like the Flaming Hot Cheeto. Do the coin flip. That's what we said we'd do.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about the coin flip. Are you heads or tails?
I'm heads, remember. I asked Siri. Yes!
My god. So the normal one?
The normal one is worse.
Where'd he go? Can we leave Inteleon in the bottom?
He's funny, though. He's Fortnite.
He's B tier was good enough, okay? B tier was...
Fine. I
yeah.
like Inteleon.
I don't. He looks weird.
Okay, let's see. We can move the Blaziken in front of the Feraligatr.
No, we can't.
Or not Feraligatr. The Hulk. I don't remember his name. Swampert. Or some crap.
Okay.
You
can go.
He can go with his best friends. The other firefighting
together.
Oh, then we also could put and this is a joke, but we could also put Blastoise down there because he's a firefighter.
Pull up the Unite thing.
Yeah, we pull up the Unite. I have his Hollowware.
You do?
I do.
I want that Hollowware, even though I'm not gonna use it.
If I'm gonna play a defender, he's actually my first choice because I don't have Trevenant.
I have Trevenant. I like Trevenant a lot. Why don't you buy Trevenant?
What?
Why don't you buy Trevenant?
Because I don't feel like it.
Trevenant's good though.
Urshifu's also still really OP. I should have gotten him maybe.
Well, Glaceon's a better Pokemon in general.
Yeah. Okay, so we move Mega Venusaur. We switch it with Venusaur.
What?
We switch Mega Venusaur with Venusaur because it's actually
normal Venusaur's better, man. Normal.
No.
Yes, he is.
No.
All they did was give him more leaves and a flower on his forehead.
Well, they also gave him the triangles and they made him a lighter color.
Oh yeah, they did give it the pattern.
Also, we need to put somewhere for the Gigantamax because he's also here.
The Gigantamax is funny.
You want to put that in it? You want to put that in first?
Yes.
Okay. I can't really do the editor magic a lot, but
No, wait, do it. Never mind, the Pokemon move.
Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna put like a line before it. And
no, there, do it now.
Okay.
You sound like you pooped yourself.
Yeah, I know. That's what I did. That's what I had to do for that voice.
I'm flipping the coin again for the.
Okay. Heads for cheeseheads.
Yeah, three.
Yeah, furry.
Who else do we move? I think for alligator goes down some.
Yeah, I don't like. Put him next
don't know
to
where.
Bruh, no, I like all of those forms.
We're moving this one later. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'm gonna just put him in the back for now to remember.
Okay.
Where do you go? Who are you? You can go with your pal.
He's better than his pal.
You can go ahead of your pal.
Okay, I'm fine with this.
This is good.
No, actually, move. I don't remember this guy's name because I nicknamed him. Move the alligator guy, the fire one, in front of the furry. Why is that thing on the furry though?
It's also on the bird. No, go down.
Oh wait, what? Is that like Japanese or something?
I don't know. I think it's like they took the picture. They might have taken the picture from the the decks, like with all the.
Oh yeah, but I don't think they would have something in front of it.
No, wait, that's 3D. I don't know where that's from.
That's not 3D.
I know. I don't know where that's from. Oh, where'd you go?
Next
here.
to.
Okay, it's here.
Okay, so we put Cinderace and Greninja in the front, right?
Not acceptable.
Right.
I need Lemon Grab over here to tell you that's not acceptable.
Who?
Never mind, man. Anyways, you move down. I like this one more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just put you there for now.
We put what is that guy's name again? Torterra in front of Subtile.
Fair enough. It's starting to rain off really bad outside my house.
We put the Cinderace in front of the Greninja. If you're not gonna move up these two, you gotta switch them then.
Fine, but I like Greninja more.
Are we gonna keep the fairy water guy there? Or girl?
Is he better than the Charizard forms?
Fine.
Is he? I don't know. I'm asking you.
Oh, no, not at all. Okay. Now we move to S.
Huh?
Now we move to S. Okay, so we moved Cinderace to the very front.
Then Greninja can't go, but okay. And I'm not moving in second place either.
I don't care. It's still worth it.
I think.
Subtile third.
Grass Starter is cool, man.
Blastoise in front.
Yeah.
Blastoise is cool.
Blastoise is cool.
When did we put Empoleon?
I don't remember.
I'll do the editor magic, if I haven't already. I'll do my own opinion.
Fine.
Okay, so then...
If I were you, I will put him in B tier.
Let me just check the audio.
Why do you always laugh?
I don't know. I just found out we weren't recording the audio.
How much did we not record?
The whole thing.
The whole video?
The whole video.
You're messing with me.
Oh my gosh.
You're messing with me.
Oh my gosh.
You're messing with me.
That was like a whole hour also.
You're messing. Wait.
Gosh.
How do you know the time? If you weren't
Because I have my phone, or not my phone, my watch.
What about your watch?
I know when we started.
Oh
or
my
when
God.
I thought we started.
Let's re-record tomorrow, because I don't want to re-record it today.
Ha! You just got pranked. Goodbye, child.